Most electric bikes on the street today look like standard commuters with a bulky battery strapped to the frame. But every so often, a machine comes along that looks like it belongs in a custom motorcycle garage. This specific high-performance model ditches the traditional bicycle look for a rugged, aggressive stance that feels more like a moped. When you see those 20-inch fat tires, you know this bike isn't just for paved paths. Those tires are 4 inches wide, providing a massive contact patch that keeps you stable on loose gravel, sandy trails, or even through a light dusting of snow. It gives you a sense of confidence that thinner tires just cannot match. Under the seat sits a motor that peaks at 1500 watts. That is a massive amount of power for something with pedals. Most riders find that the acceleration is snappy and immediate. You twist that throttle, and the bike just lunges forward with a surprising amount of torque. In standard settings, you are looking at speeds around 28 miles per hour, but plenty of people have found ways to unlock even more potential, pushing it closer to 35 miles per hour. That kind of speed changes how you view your morning commute. You aren't just a cyclist anymore. You are keeping up with city traffic. To handle that speed and the bumps that come with it, this bike uses a dual suspension system. You have a beefy fork in the front and a dedicated shock absorber in the rear. This setup transforms the riding experience. Instead of wincing every time you hit a pothole or a crack in the pavement, you just glide over them. It makes the whole ride feel incredibly plush and comfortable, even during longer sessions on the long padded seat. The safety features are worth mentioning too, because you get more than just a simple headlight. Some versions of this bike come equipped with full turn signals and brake lights, which makes a huge difference when you are navigating busy intersections at sunset. It makes you feel like a legitimate part of the traffic flow rather than an afterthought. You also get a bright display that tells you exactly how much juice you have left, which is vital when you are pushing that motor to its limits. Speaking of long rides, the battery is tucked away but removable, offering a range of about 60 miles if you are using the pedal assist mode. However, if you decide to go full throttle the entire time, that range will drop significantly. It is just the trade-off for having that much power at your fingertips. It also features a 7-speed gear system for when you actually want to put some work in with your legs. You should be prepared for the weight though. This is a heavy piece of machinery. It is not the kind of bike you want to carry up a flight of stairs. It is built for power, not portability. You also have to consider the brakes. While the disc brakes do their job for normal riding, hitting 35 miles per hour might make you wish for even more stopping power. It is a good idea to keep an eye on those if you plan on riding fast. Beyond the hardware, there is the social aspect. People will stop and ask you about this bike because it turns heads everywhere it goes. There are some concerns online about customer support and how long it takes to get parts, which is common for these newer brands, but the community of riders seems to be growing fast. You just need to make sure you check your local regulations, because a motor this powerful and speeds this high can sometimes put you in a different legal category than a standard bicycle. If you want something that blends the line between a bicycle and a motorcycle while offering a smooth, powerful ride, this is a serious contender that demands your attention. It makes every trip feel like an event,